Hi, this is Wayne here. I want to show you how I take trades on the harmonic system. Once again, first thing I'm looking for is a pattern to form on the 4-hour chart. And here's my pattern here. I'm looking for a super dot to form at the end of the pattern, which I have here. I'm looking for my trend candlesticks to change over. Since I'll be going long off this pattern, I want my trend candlestick to change to green. And I want price to move above this 4 moving average. Okay, I don't necessarily need the trend lord to be blue. If price moves above here, you might get a little bit better entry. I'm going to try it without the trend lord going over blue. They are decreasing, so this kind of looks like it will be changing over. Hopefully grab a few more pips before price gets way up here. So since this is going to confirm, I can enter this trade now. I'm going to take a buy and enter this trade going up. Now, I also entered one on Euro Pound. Same thing. We have a pattern that's formed. I have a super dot. Price has gotten below the 4 moving average. I have red trend candlesticks. I don't have a red trend lord here, but I'm going to enter the trade, and I did just a few moments ago. So that's why I entered this trade. You got pattern, super dot, red trend candlesticks have changed over, and it's below the 4 moving average. If you don't have this 4 moving average, all you need to do is go over here to Insert, Indicators, Trend, Moving Average, Period 4, Shift to 4, hit OK, and you'll have it on the chart. The other thing, if you want more confirmation, you could wait for the Hull and the simple moving average to cross. If you like, it looks like it's about ready to cross here. It hasn't quite yet. Another trade I took this morning was on pound US dollar. Pound US dollar. For that chart. It's outside my here it is. Okay, pound US dollar. Okay, we had a pattern formed. We had a super dot. We had price move above the 4 moving average. Trend lord actually changed here yet. As you can see, that trade is up about $38 right now. I believe I took that one at the cross here. Okay, but could have got in right here where price moved above. It would have been all pretty much the same place here. So I'm going to pause this video for a while. I have to go bowl my bowling league right now, and we'll see how these trades are doing a little bit later, and I'll unpause and see if these have moved into the money. Now this is on the 4-hour chart. This could take several hours into tomorrow before you might see some profit or movement here, but we'll check back later and see what's going on. See you in a bit. Okay, we're back. It's the next morning, and here we are. As you can see, our pound dollar is now up $100. I was in a gold trade that was up $46. New Zealand US dollars up $28. The euro pound is down 17. The dollar yen is up 254, and I did get into another trade last night on the Aussie dollar that's up $52, so up a total of $214. when I got in the Aussie US dollar last night, I got in on the crossover of the 4 moving average here. Already had turned to blue here, so that was just another confirmation. But we had a nice spike there. Now, as far as getting out of these trades, I could look at price going below the moving average. I could wait for the trend candlesticks to change color. You can get out at the trend lower change of color, though that's usually later. Or when you're happy with about, usually in the 4-hour chart, you can get about 60, 70 pips out of a nice trade. So when you get somewhere around that, you can get out. Now on some of these, like gold and pound dollar and Aussie dollar, I can move my stop loss, which I don't have a stop loss in these, but I can put one in now at least break even. So now it's a free trade. But that's basically all you're looking for on these. Once again, is for confirmation. You're looking for the pattern. You're looking for a super dot. You're looking for price to move above the moving average, and then you can enter trend lords even, another confirmation. This is another place that you can get out, is if you want to wait for a little dot here. So I think I'm going to take this $100 now. It could go farther. Sometimes these do repaint, and this can expand out and probably come all the way up to here. But if you're happy with 100 pips, and once again, this is just on $1 a pip. Once again, if you were at $2, $3 a pip, you'd be up $300, $400, $500. So wherever you're happy with the profit, anytime you got money, you can take it and run. Sometimes these will, as we all know, go the other way. So probably let this run just a little bit longer, and then I might be getting out of this shortly. But not a bad start. 223 pips for the night and the start of the week. So I think the harmonics is the best thing out there that I've seen so far. If you have the patience to trade it, it works really well. If you have any questions, let me know.